Hey guys, this is me, your host Harsh, and you're watching Electron Labs. And in today's video, we are gonna talk about that how we have coded or made this COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak website named Gocorona.wtf, right? So this video is all about that how we made this, what tech stacks we use, and how you can make the same, like not the copy, but you can make from scratch of your own, right? So this is the website, how it looks like, right? Let me explain what kind of components or things this website has, right? So here are the two data you have to choose between. Like you can get the latest data, which is from worldometers. And for this we have used an API made by Roshan Choksi, and you can get the repo or all of the links in the description box. So he is the contributor with me in this project of Gocorona. What the fuck? Make sure to follow him on Instagram, right? So this is the API. Okay, you just have to use this URL to make a request to the server, right? Let me show you how this API gives you the so yeah, here we go. So we have our response in form of JSON from the API. So this API here on the end, all it shows the data of all of the countries. Like you can search for any of the country. Like I'll search for India, and like you can see there's stats for India, right? So active cases, cured, death, total, right? So now if you want for the India, so yeah, if you type the URL of the API slash India, and you will get the stats of the India only, like active cases, cured, that total, right? This is how this API works, and this API is using the data from worldometer.com. And yeah, so next is the official one, right? This official data is from Ministry of Health and Welfare, and this data is provided by the API given by Amod Malvia. Big thanks to him for the data. And yeah, the API credit goes to Amod himself, and you can get all of the links to the repo in the description box as well. And yeah, let's move further. So this is the map of India, right? Now you guys might be wondering that how we have done this map of all of the data inside it. Like if you hover on any of the state of India, it will show the cases, death, recoveries, and all, right? And this also changes color depending on the cases, current cases. So for this, let me show you that how we have done this, how we have achieved this thing. So for this, right, so for this we have, just first of all let me show you the index.html, how it looks like. So here is section of map. Okay, so yeah, this is the section of map div. Okay, there is a map, right? This is the outer structure of the map HTML. Then we have used map.json for the topography of the map to draw the SVG of map, and we have used d3.js for the map, right? You can see the SVG is drawn like this. So this is the SVG of India. You can get it from d3.js. This is a JavaScript library for drawing maps, data visualization, and yeah. So this is how this map of India works. And then we have just created a JavaScript file using DOM, and we have pushed the data into the SVG file. We have passed the JSON data into the SVG. So this is the map.js. This project is completely open source, and you can contribute to it. Create a pull request, and I or Roshan will merge the request. First we will review it, then we will merge it, right? So this is how the map.js looks like. We have passed the data by the from the API into this, and depending on the cases we have changed the color, and on hover we have shown the data in form of a table kind of pop-up, right? This is like you have this one, right? This is I'm talking about. So this is about the map. And now there's also a section of graph, like if you click on the graph, the stats of state wise is shown in form of graph. So you guys might be wondering that how we have done this. So for this we have used Chart.js. Like if you type Chart.js, this is a JavaScript library for drawing charts in a very easy method. Let me show you some samples or documentation. You can go and learn how you can use this one. So we have used line chart. Yeah, we have used line charts. This is how the line charts looks like. We have used this one, and let me show you the code of it. It's so simple to do, and yeah, because of the Chart.js, because of the guys at Chart.js, they made the work very easy. So yeah, this is our database.js file where all of the scripts of the website are stored. And yeah, this is how it looks like. We have just passed the API to get the response, and then we have just stored the data into variables, and then we have passed it into the graph like this. You can see cases, we have given the color, and yeah, you can modify it yeah. So you have to first understand this Chart.js. It's very simple to understand. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so then this is a table of state-wise data from the Amod Malvia's API, COVID-19 API. We have just fed the state-wise data. This is the cases, active cases, death and cured. This is how it looks like, all of the state data, and it is in the sorted way, like top cases on the top. Then yeah, like, so now it comes to the news part, like news section. So you guys might be thinking that all of the news are from corona only, related to corona only, from global India, right? Global and Indian news. So this is being, so for the news I have used an API called Gocorona.wtf API, and this API is made by me only, so big thanks to me. And yeah, so I have given, so okay, now let me tell you that how I made this. So I have used Python for making this API, and I have used the data from the sources of like ABP News, India Today, Economics, The Hindu, TechCrunch for the effect of Corona on tech for the news, and yeah, from and various other sources for the API. And if you go to the website of API coronews.imhush.design, you will see here about the API, how to what are the features and stuff, like how you can use using the JavaScript. Like you also get a starter code here. Just click on here and your starter code will be copied, and now you are ready to go. Just change the variables and how you manipulate data to the HTML. Just use your DOM methods, add here, add somewhere in between, and yeah. So if you want to get the link of the API or start from the scratch, just click on the get API button. Like this is the get API button, and your API link will be copied to the clipboard. Now let me show you how this retrieves data to you. Like if you like, yeah, you can see that this is how it gives you the data back. Like first article, image, link, title, and yeah, this is how it gives. And this API also gives you the data of India, like stats of India. So yeah, you can also use this API to get the stats of coronavirus in India, the real time stats. This API Corona News 19 API, and it's light, it's easy to use. And yeah, I have also shown and created some of the projects using this API, so you can get all of them on the website listed. CodePen, yeah, and this one. Okay, this API is made by me, as I mentioned earlier. You can follow me on Instagram for more of this kind, and follow me on GitHub for more awesome cool projects. And yeah, so okay, so we have done with the news section. And yeah, this is all the credits. And yeah, so these are the contributors: me, Harsh, and Roshan, and Rahul. These are the contributors of this website. So mainly me and Roshan are the main core developers of this website. And yeah, we have worked a lot for this. So this is it. This is pretty much it about the website, guys. And yeah, we have hosted it on GitHub pages only, no other fancy hosting. But for the API part, we have used Heroku, as these API are the RESTful APIs built over Python Flask, a Python framework for making APIs and apps based on Python. So yeah, this is all about the website. I hope you might have enjoyed the video, whatsoever reason you liked the video and enjoyed watching it. So please give and hit a like button, and comment down below your queries if you have any, or you can get the links I have shown in the video, the resources, the text tags, and all of the other information you can get in the description box. Just go hit the description button, and yeah, enjoy the things, and happy coding. Stay safe, stay home, and yeah, this is pretty much about the video. Bye bye, guys. This is me, your host Harsh, and I'm signing out.